Oh my goodness. It did what it was supposed to do. I didn't think it would. Let's see if it actually records. Oh, no, I have no pen. Wait a minute. I have no pen. Why do I have no pen? I should have a pen, right? And I have no pen. Oh my god. So that's not going to work, right? Nope, I can't do any of this. This is ridiculous. Alright, so I'm just going to keep talking until we get to what we need to. Maybe I can write with this. Are we still recording here? Nope. Not recording there. That's great. Alright, I think I'm going to go visit Mrs. Carroll's room so I can get the shnikey stuff done.